how are you all doing? Tsahi here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So nice to have you all here today. As you can see from the title, I'm doing a try-on haul for the very first time, and I got my stuff from Rainbow Shops. I don't know if you ever shop there. Comment down below if you have. It came in this is how the package comes, in a little baggie like this. It comes with the invoice and all of that stuff, so you can see everything that came or did not come, you know. So I must say I was very happy with the packaging. Each item came in individual plastic. Every single piece of item came individually wrapped like that and labeled properly, so they get points for packaging. Right, so let's get into it immediately. First thing, before I get into the show and tell, all these items were under $10 US. I tried to get items that I found affordable. Is this yellow top. Trying to get into the material. It's a bit stretchy, and this is a medium size, so you can see how it fits. It's just a little bit big on this side. I don't know what these little strings that you see me tucking in there is called, but I usually just cut that out. I think this is used to actually hang the clothes on hangers, but I just cut them off because I find it's a bit of a nuisance. So, and I paired it with the denim jeans that I was talking about. This is the only thing that I did not pay that wasn't under $10. This was $20 or $19.99 US. So yeah, and this is a size, what is this size? 9. It says 9-29, so I'm not sure what that actually means. So this is the tag. Not much stretch, but still a little bit. I liked how it fit. It went all the way down. I wouldn't say very tall chick, but tall enough. Now of course I had to do the bend over test. Up next is the black in the very same top that I tried on just now, and this is in a size small. This one fit better because this particular top has a lot of stretch, and I paired it with little booty shorts, neon green booty shorts. Yeah, I like this. This was very comfortable. A nice stay at home, go to the beach, just chillax. All the clothes I find, I just wanted some very casual and not expensive. Yeah, so those are what I have so far. Moving along to the dressier number is this top, slightly see-through. So yeah, this is how it fits. It's a little bit big on the side, but I would say comfortable. But I think I would prefer to wear this tucked in either a skirt or pants. And these pants I also got from Rainbow Shops in a size medium, high-waisted, stretchy black dress pants. All these items were, well, except for the blue denim jeans, were on sale for Black Friday, so it was pretty good. I think I got a good deal, and it fits so comfortable. This is my favorite pants now. I cannot wait to go out, brunch, a date night with the husband. Yes, feeling myself. I feeling myself like where the money reside. I was feeling myself in this outfit. So yeah, definitely a good buy with these pants. I love them. Moving right along, this cute burnt orange dress in a size medium again. Very pretty, very comfortable, soft, stretchy material. I love this dress because it's just the right fit, it's the right length, it's sexy enough, it's sophisticated. I could pair this with boots, with strappy heels, with flat sandals, a nice jacket. I just love it. I can't wait to dress it up and come back to you guys just to show you how I can, you know, really bring this up a bit. Moving right along. I love this top. I am so sorry I did not buy more. It was just very comfortable. It fit perfectly. I think this is a size medium as well. And this was the cheapest one, so I could have bought one in each color. But I wasn't. I just wanted to be very careful about what I was getting as I was purchasing from them for the very first time. Now that I know how well they shipped and how it packages, I'll definitely, yeah, I could definitely get some more stuff. Yeah, so moving right along, this pretty, what you would call this color, burgundy, long sleeve jacket, fit comfortably. I think this is size medium as well. That is my go-to size, depending on what I purchase. So I think the next time I wear this though, I will wear it with a bra. But it's just trying on, so I wasn't in the mood to do all of that, to be very honest with you. And that is basically it. Oh, and I'm also wearing one of the items that I purchased, this dress. So cute, guys. I love this dress. When I first put it on, I was like, yes, this is so cute. I wore it to a small house lime. It was comfortable. It's flowy, airy. I love it. I love it. As you can see in the little clip that I put in there. Yeah, so I also got these earrings, and it came in a whole set. So 3 pairs of hoops and a necklace, and this was under $10 US. So it's not the most durable, and it is costume jewelry. Don't come for me. I like costume jewelry. I could wear them. No problem with it. So yeah, so this is also another buy, and I'm also wearing another set. This all came together, these rings and this cuff. All in all, I think I got some good stuff. Wait, one more thing. I also picked up this little bag under $10 US as well. Just a little knockabout handbag. It's not the most fancy. It's not a brand name, to be honest. I don't even know what name it have here. It will do what I need it to do. This is like if I'm going to the grocery, going Pennywise, just throw all my stuff in. If I don't want a big handbag, this will come in handy. So I also got this. And yeah, that is basically all the stuff I got. I paid a total of, I'm just telling you what all the items came up to with the all the discounts and stuff. It was a total of $102.51 US. Shipping was free, and I would have probably ordered it right around Black Friday, and it shipped like a week after. So I received it in like 2 to 3 weeks or something like that, to be honest. And yeah, I would say I did well. I got everything that I ordered. It came in good condition, everything. So I'll definitely buy from Rainbow again, Rainbow Shops. So I'll have to thank my friend who told me about it, because everybody is only talking about Shein, which I will still see what they're about. I browsed that website and there are some nice things, so I don't mind checking it out. So I'll definitely do another try on haul. Check me out when that happens. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Trying to switch it up for 2021. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever purchased from that website, and give me other website ideas or options. Let me check it out. So thank you guys so much for coming back, and I shall see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.